Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Samuel Chinatu. This is Extreme Extramural Lesson. This is a platform where we teach students on how to solve various different types of mathematics, English, physics, chemistry. So now there are students, as the exam is fast approaching, so they prepared to face the examination without being biased, without being afraid or looking for help from external forces. I want to introduce a welcome favor to come and solve a quadratic equation using two different methods, using factorizational method and completing the square method. Favor, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir. My name is Favor, as you have introduced, and I'm going to be solving this quadratic equation using completing the square method. But before I start, we have different types of equation. We have simultaneous equation, we have the Lagrangian equation, system equation, but this one is called the quadratic equation. I'm going to be solving using two methods, completing the square method and factorization method. But I'm using completing the square method first. Alright, let's get started. Solution. The first step here, we're going to eliminate 0. That's taking plus 8x to the other side. And when we're crossing a positive sign, it turns to negative. That gives us minus. We have x squared minus 6x equal to minus 8. Alright, since this is an even number, minus 6, we're going to divide by 2. Minus 6x divided by 2 equals to minus 8. So minus 6x divided by 2 give me minus 3x equal to minus 8. Okay? So the coefficient of x here is minus 3. The next step is to square the coefficients and add to both sides. That is, you add to the left hand side and also you add to the right hand side. The coefficient is minus 3, not 3. Minus 3. So you have x squared minus 3x plus, remember we're adding, so since I have square here, x is raised power of 2, minus 3 is also raised power of 2. I'll collect like terms. So I have x minus 3 square equal to 8 plus minus 3 square is giving me, that's 9. So we have x minus 3 square equal to, so we have 8 it's supposed to be minus. Sorry, I omitted the minus here. So it's minus 8 plus 9 giving me, so it's giving me 1. So 1. X minus 3 equals to square root of 1. As taking this square, when it's crossing an equal to sign, it turns to square root, it gives us square root. So we have square root of 1. Taking minus 3 to the other side, we have x equal to root 1 give me 1. So x equals to 3. X equals to 3 plus or minus 1. So x equals to 3 plus 1 or 3 minus 1. So x equal to 4 or 2. Alright, so we're done with this, solving this quadratic equation with completing the square method. Remember I said I was going to use two methods. that's completing the square and factorization method. So let's solve using factorizational method. The same equation. Okay, before we start this, x squared is going to multiply 8, giving me 8x squared. Let's just say this plus 8x squared. Okay, but in factorizing, we're going to look for two numbers in which when we sum, the sum of them will give us minus 6x, and the product is going to give us 8x squared. That's the sum and the product. Okay, so let's use minus 4 and minus 2. Minus 4x plus minus 2x is going to give me minus 6x. Because we have gotten this minus 6x, and then we'll multiply them. That's the product. Minus times minus will give us plus. 4 times 2 will give us 8. Then x multiplied by x will give us x squared. X squared. So you see we have gotten plus 8x. So we're getting the two numbers we need. We're going to make use of minus 4x minus 2x. Okay, so we'll continue solving. We're going to substitute. So we're no longer going to be using minus 6x. We're going to be using minus 4x minus 2x, since it's giving us the sum of it to give us minus 6x. So we have x squared minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, so breaking this down, like we're going to take this, 2 of this and 2 of this, we're going to like factorize it, 2 of this, 2 of this. So x will divide this. When x squared is divided by x, we have x minus 4x divided by x, we have minus 4. It's more like you just check from these two numbers, these two algebraic expressions, what can you use to divide it? What will divide both? Sometimes you have to use 1 in some cases. You have to use 1, but this one now we're using minus 2. So minus 2x divided by minus 2 will give us x. Minus times plus will give us minus. And then 8 divided by 2. That's plus 8 divided by minus 2 will give us 4. Minus 4 equal to 0. So since this bracket, in factorizing, these two brackets, these two have to be the same. If not, you cannot arrive at, I cannot give you any answer. So these two have to be the same. So we're taking this x minus 2, we put them in one bracket. That's what we use to factorize. And then this other bracket, that are the same, just pick one out of it. X minus 4 equal to 0. So we have x minus 2 equal to 0, or x minus 4 equal to 0. When a negative sign is crossing a positive sign, it gives us plus. So x equal to 2, or x equal to 4. So we got the same answer as we saw for completing the square method. We got 4 or 2, and here we also have x equal to 2 or 4. So this see that it's not hard. You have to practice to be able to solve this. Practice makes perfect. We all know that. Thank you very much.